Picture this, a world where anyone can create top-notch videos with the simplest of tools. Welcome to a realm of possibility, courtesy of Microsoft. First, imagine the blank canvas of PowerPoint. Think it's just for presentations. Think again, it's a powerhouse for creating engaging videos, loaded with animations, transitions, and voiceovers. Now picture this, Microsoft Photos, not your average photo gallery. It's an underdog in video editing, packed with features like text overlay, motion effects, and 3D effects. Finally, envisage Microsoft Stream, a haven for sharing and discovering videos within your organization. It's not just about storage, it's about fostering a culture of learning and collaboration. Microsoft, not just an office suite, but a suite of tools for your video creation journey. Unleash your creativity, surprise yourself, and dive into the world of Microsoft video creation today.